Hi. My name is Kristen O'Keefe Aptowitz, and I have a couple of questions for you.
Okay.
Do you like dinosaurs? Do you like tambourines? Do you like giant cookies?
I do.
I have a book for you.
Okay.
Do you like sangria?
Yes.
Do you like talking alarm clocks?
Very much.
Do you like poems about walking motherfucking dogs?
Sure.
Guess what?
Okay.
I have a poem you are going to like. Do you like chicken limos?
Huh?
Do you like cytotechnology?
I don't know what that is.
Do you like purgatory?
No.
You will still like this book. Do you like laughing out loud?
Yeah.
Do you like soul-cleansing weeping?
Well, sometimes.
Do you like authenticity? Sincerity?
Yes.
Honesty? Do you like footnoted erotic letters to Jeff Goldblum? Guess what? I have a book for you. It's called I Love Science by 2011 Right Bloody Open Book Competition winner Shani Jean Manny.
Who?
That's Shani Jean Manny.
Again?
Shani Jean Manny.
And the book?
Shani Jean Manny's I Love Science. It's a book you are going to like.